All right, everybody, here we are, another one of our projects completed, and we connect with you and collaborate with you about your design, your colors, your lighting, and based on that, we make a curated recommendation about plants that will do really well for your space. And this is an example of that experience. Let me show it to you. As you can tell, this beautiful home has a very bohemian and very easy breezy kind of vibe, right? And it reminds me of Miami Beach and the sand and really a beach house, if you will. And so what we do is that we connect with you specifically on that. What kind of aesthetic are we elevating? What kind of aesthetic are we incorporating and working with you? We know the colors, okay, are very important. And we also know the lighting, okay? This is one example. We need to know how many windows do we have, how much light comes in, because based on this, we're gonna do recommendations as to what kind of plants will thrive and do really well in that space. We also give you recommendations of water and what plants need to thrive and do really well. Ultimately, what we do is that we set you up for a beautiful natural space that will thrive, and it will elevate the space that you're in, improving the quality of your health and also the quality of the space. Come to our showroom. Let me show you a little more about it, okay? Thank you.